Hey, what's up everybody? What's up YouTube? What's up Ranger fans? This is Psycho White here, and today I would like to share with you my Power Rangers Lightning collection of Power Rangers in Space Pink Ranger. Hey, what's up everybody? So here is my Power Rangers Lightning collection of Power Rangers in Space Pink Ranger, as aka Cassie. So there it is in the package. Here's the front view. Here's the side view. Here's the back. Here's the other side view. And the front again. Now, excuse me while I go open this package up. And here is Power Rangers in Space Pink Ranger out of the package. And here's the front view of it. Here's this side. There's the back. And there's the other side. And here's the front again. And for the accessories, here is her weapon. That focus. Here it is. And here is the pistol. And here's the effect. And the effect goes in with her weapon. Like so. There it is. And here is, comes in with the two fists and a hand. And here is the head of Cassie. Let's swap this helmet off. And we'll put Cassie head on it. There you go. That is Cassie in a Pink Ranger. And for comparison, here is Yellow Ranger in space. And here is Black Ranger in space. And here is Blue Ranger in space. And here is the Red Ranger in space. Let's see how that looks. And we'll also add Psycho Silver, just because of it. And here is Astronema, just because of it. Let's see how that looks. And there you have it, folks. This is the Power Rangers Lightning collection of the Pink Ranger in space. And this will be it for me for now. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, give me some few comments what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.